Our first destination is Mekin Farm, which is located 35 kilometers west of Khon Kaen city. This is a 30-minute drive. It is also located 25 kilometers south of the Ubol Ratana Dam, which is another 30-minute drive away and also our next destination.
So this place is Mekin Farm. It's a farm basically with chicken, with buffaloes, with farm animals here, and it's really green. It's also a cafe or restaurant where they sell food, so it's a really quaint little nice place. It's very muddy. Ooh, ooh. This plant has a very rough texture. You can hear it when I stroke it. You can enter this place free of charge. There's no fee whatsoever, no parking fee either. So it's yeah, quite lovely.สวัสดีค่ะเอาชาเย็นแก้วหนึ่งค่ะ
เป็นชาไทยเย็นนะ
ชาไทยเย็นแก้วหนึ่งค่ะ
วันนี้มีคิวอยู่7 แก้วเดี๋ยวนั่งรอสักครู่นะคะ
แล้วก็ชาเขียวหนึ่ง
ได้ค่ะชาเขียวเย็น1แล้วก็ชาไทยเย็น1
ค่ะค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ
เมนูอาหารจะอยู่ด้านนู้นนะคะเผื่ออยากสั่งอะไรเพิ่มเติมนะคะ
ค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ Khon 50 baht per piece. It's a hand fan. The bird is confused, like, who are you? Are you like my twin? Who are you? This bird has been around here for quite a while now. He flew away. It seems drought season is especially bad because we're supposed to be next to water, but this is what we see. It's just land, dry land. Drought drought season is bad in the northeastern part of Thailand. There's only this tiny puddle left. It seems. It's really sad. So we reached the Pasala, so which means like the hill of sacrificing you being single. So here it is, supposedly the dam. It's really dried and yeah, it's just a small puddle of water left. It's pretty sad. It's supposed to be a reservoir, and on the map it's still like an entire body of water. So yeah, this is Ubol Ratana Dam.ปกติแห้งอย่างนี้หรือเปล่าคะเพิ่งแห้งจริงๆต้องเต็มไปด้วยน้ำใช่ไหมคะอ๋อค่ะ Yep, it's confirmed by the local that it's really drier this year. Well, over here the dam is quite a bit bigger, and there's some more houses. It's like a village here, some boats. So here it's looking okay, but it's still very dry.